There's something about England that just gets under your skin. Maybe it's the rolling green hills, the centuries-old castles, or the way the morning mist hangs over the countryside like a secret. Today I'm counting down the most amazing places in England you absolutely have to see. Let's jump right in. Number 5, the Lake District. If you ever wanted to step into a painting, this is it. Think mirror-like lakes, rugged fells, and little villages that look like they fell out of time. Hike up Scafell Pike for the best views, or just find a quiet spot by Windermere and let the world drift by. It's pure magic. Number 4, Stonehenge. Yeah, it's famous, but there's a reason. Standing in that ancient circle of stones, you can't help but feel the weight of thousands of years. Nobody really knows why it's there, but that mystery just makes it even more special. Go at sunrise if you can. It's unforgettable. Now, number 3, the Jurassic Coast. Picture dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and fossil-filled beaches stretching for miles. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site for a reason. Hunt for fossils at Lyme Regis or hike the cliffs from Durdle Door to Lulworth Cove. The real wonder, realizing you're walking through 185 million years of history with every step. Number 2, York. This city is a living, breathing time machine. Walk the medieval walls, get lost in the shambles, or gaze up at the stained glass of York Minster. Grab a cup of tea in a cozy cafe and just watch the world go by. York has a way of slowing life down in the best possible way. And finally, number 1, the Cotswolds. When you think of classic England, this is it. Honey-coloured cottages, rolling meadows, ancient churches, and thatched roofs. Drive the winding lanes, stop at a pub, chat with the locals, and just soak it all in. It's like stepping into a storybook. England's wonders aren't just about places, they're about moments. That first sip of tea on a chilly morning, finding a hidden footpath, or standing somewhere so beautiful it just stops you in your tracks. So whether you're planning your first trip or dreaming of coming back, these places capture the magic that makes England unforgettable. Where will you go first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. See you out there.